So that is number two. And a pet peeve of mine that a lot of upcoming photographers are making, and a lot of people who are new to flash, is light spill. You need to control the light spill every time you post an image where you have the circle, that bright circle around the subject. That means that you're not controlling the image, you're not controlling the light, right? One of the greatest things about flash photography is that you can control the light, that you can make light, you can bend the light to do what you want. And unless you want a bright circle around your subject, the bright circle shouldn't be there. Light spill, it's something that people don't pay attention to, because we, like I said before, we get so focused on the subject, so enchanted by our images, that we forget those details. When if you put those three together, then you have a picture that has a hot spot on it, that has shadows where the shadows are not supposed to be, and that has a big light spills. And light spills not only on the ground, light spills could be on the wall. Are the light spilling on the wall? All right, am I going to see that bright spot of the image there?